How to restore the classic Outlook view. So here I am in the new version of the Outlook application. So from here, recently Microsoft has introduced the new version of Outlook, which automatically changed the look right here. So if you still want to use the classic version of Outlook, what you can do is that you can just press on this toggle button right here at the top right, and then it will go back to the classic version of your Outlook. If you don't see this toggle button right here at the top right, what you can do is that you can click on help right here in the ribbon, and then there will be a button right here that says go to classic Outlook. So whichever of the two methods that you use will work to go to the classic version of Outlook. And then, for example, I click on that, it will go ahead and show this pop-up window right here. It says living the new Outlook. So from here, you have this feedback survey right here. So it's up to you if you want to answer this, but if not, you can just go ahead and click skip feedback. So when I click on skip feedback, it will now open the classic version of Outlook. So let's just wait for it. And then now you can see that the classic version of Outlook is back. And then from here, you can now go ahead and use Outlook just as you intended. You can also see in your search bar, if you just type in classic, you should find the Outlook classic version right here so that you can still use the classic version and the new version of Outlook at the same time. But if you cannot see that, you can just go ahead and turn off this toggle button. Or as I said, you can just click go to classic Outlook. And then that is basically it. So basically the difference with the new version of Outlook from the classic version of Outlook, as you can see from the look itself. So it looks more modernized, and most of the features of the classic Outlook is now here in the new version of Outlook. So Microsoft has been planning to uh, migrate all of the features of the classic Outlook to the new Outlook because they plan to make this the main version of Outlook in the future. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to restore to the classic Outlook view, and thank you for watching.